Our second PDSA cycle is to instill lab specimen collection protocol to include drawing labs from a limb that does not have IV fluids running. Also apply a blue wristband to the limb without fluids running to alert the nurse or phlebotomist that that's the correct limb to draw labs from in order to avoid drawing and picking up the IV fluids that are being introduced into the patient. Number 2 is to do. We're going to require all staff to draw labs, to fill out a lab requisition form identifying the limb that has the fluids running and also identifying the limb of which the specimen was drawn from. So there'll be 2 areas on this new lab requisition. One, they will have to fill out where the labs were drawn from, which limb, and they'll also have to identify which limb had the IV fluids running. And then 3, we'll study by collecting the lab requisitions weekly and study the outcomes. And then 4, we'll act by modifying the current lab requisition forms based on the data and that we receive from the weekly collection of requisitions and implement the protocol.